Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with OneDrive for work and school setup, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin registering for OneDrive for work and school, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Microsoft OneDrive webpage. Click on the Sign Up button, usually found on the top right corner of the page. You will be prompted to enter your work or school email address. Type in your email address and click on the Next button. If prompted, enter your password and click Sign In. If you don't have an account yet, select the option to create a new one. Follow the on-screen instructions to fill in the required information. This typically includes your name, password, and other necessary details. Once completed, read and accept the terms and conditions. When you've successfully created your account, you might need to verify your email address. Check your email inbox for a verification message from Microsoft. Click the verification link provided in the email to confirm your account. After verification, return to the OneDrive webpage. Sign in again with your email and password. You will be directed to your OneDrive dashboard. Explore the user interface and familiarize yourself with the available features. If prompted, download the OneDrive app for enhanced functionality on your devices. Follow the installation instructions to set it up properly. Once installed, open the app and sign in using the same email and password. Now you are all set to use OneDrive for work and school. Start uploading documents and organizing your files as needed. Remember to check the storage options and manage your space efficiently. Explore collaboration features to share files with colleagues or classmates. Utilize version history to manage changes to your documents. Enjoy seamless access to your files across devices with OneDrive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.